So we the other night we had the great idea that we're gonna make a very spiritual video with a lot of significance that's gonna really aid you and really point you to Jesus in a better way.
Yep.
And that is we are gonna play a game where we go through my car.
Because it's disgusting.
It's a mess.
I actually thought of a jingle a while back.
You
It's
did?
like if we did like it's like let's play a game. Let's play a game. What's in Justin's car today? That's it. You like it? I like. So first off, before we do this, I would like to dedicate this video to my father, because my dad is always telling me to clean out my car.
Fun. Ivy Leaves, a publication of poetry and art from Anderson University. Because we know how much Justin Kinley is into the art. That's sophisticated.
Listen,
but it's
listen,
also from 2016.
I have never seen that in my entire life. That's what 2016?
2016.
I have never seen
Says
that
it
in
right
my
there.
entire life.
From Anderson University.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. There's some good artwork in here. It's a Christmas card.
That's sweet.
Fitting for the season.
From this year.
We think, because it's signed
No, it's from this year, I promise.
Grandpa and Ma, and that is not what either of us call either of our grandparents. So we have a random Christmas card.
It was in our mailbox. I have no idea.
Oh Lord, you opened a random Christmas card? Is a registration card from when we were at East Campus 3 years ago.
I promise I reached out to that person on the card.
You gotta blur out their
I promise that I did reach out to that person. Okay, back
that's
seat.
it.
Back seat.
All right, Macy.
Actually, middle seat.
Show me something good, Macy. Let's go.
Okay.
In the back seat.
Let's see. Oh.
So underneath the seat right now, underneath Courtney's seat,
Money. I get to keep this. Oh. Yeah.
it actually goes in this jar right here.
We are loaded.
Oh, there's more money. Oh yes.
Yeah,
We love
that
the
jar,
money.
That jar has so much crap in it.
More money. Oh, and a Band-Aid. Use Band-Aid.
Listen, you never know when you might have a boo-boo.
That's right.
Oh
You need
man.
to-
It says don't use the package.
that's lovely.
I
Look
dare
at
you to drink.
What is
Oh
this?
gosh.
Oh my
I
God.
dare you to drink that.
It is
No,
a-
Justin Kinley.
All right, we also have some
It's not
quality
fizzy
literature
anymore.
from Sean McDowell and David Jeremiah.
Yes.
Nice.
Here we are.
Quality
I'm
office.
sure Justin has read this.
I read that from
Not
cover
while
to
he's
cover.
driving.
Yeah, because
I really am being a safe driver by the way right now. By the now.
We also have some Nikes.
Yes. Yeah.
Those are
Always
pretty
be ready. Just do it.
Just wait. I think he has like 5 pair of shoes.
I have quite a few. I do.
A visitor card from this year.
Yeah, I reached out. I promise I
Shout
reached
out.
out to them. I
Shout out to
promise.
Cody.
Cody. Yeah, Cody. I know Cody. Cody came Thanksgiving student night.
Whoa, Cody.
And he comes on Sunday mornings. I
Good
love
job,
Cody.
Cody.
Cody, I like it.
Oh my goodness.
We got a Cardinals umbrella.
Yes, that is.
You
beautiful.
never know when you
Check
need
that
an
Now
out.
umbrella.
that is
For
perfectly
real.
reasonable to have an umbrella in a car.
Oh, and a Cardinals something something.
T-shirt that's been laying here.
Probably really
forever.
sweaty, Macy.
That's
It's-
gross.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
that's
have
nice.
no idea why that's back there.
Clear
guys.
tree. And oh man, I don't know what's in this bag. Pass it
Gosh,
out.
here we go.
Here we go.
The
Oh, I do.
my
I know
God.
what's in there. I know what's
Here
in
we
there.
go. I don't.
I'm concerned.
I'm kind of nervous. I can't.
It's
really-
probably not.
What is that?
If it's something illegal, just cut the
Another
camera
bag.
A bag
In the
within a bag.
And some.
Oh, I know what that is.
I don't know what this
Oh,
is.
it's for the tripod.
It's for the tripod.
Yeah, it's my
Which
stick.
Tripod.
is wait for it.
There we go.
Yay!
What's this thing?
Bingo.
That is a cable for said tripod.
More tripod things.
Yes, tripod.
All right.
Gotta have the
Also, you
tripod
got
ready.
some stuff over there.
I do. So first of all, there's like a half a bottle of sunscreen,
Which
Okay.
is probably expired.
which is probably expired. Let's check. Actually, that's great.
Sunscreen never goes bad. It's
Yes,
always.
that
It's
is
always
actually,
good
it's
for you.
still in date. We
I
can
need.
use this.
Yes. See, there you go.
Had money fall out.
I need some
I think
sunscreen right now.
my second favorite in the whole card here is a gift that we gave to Justin. Well, he kind of won it, but I was really glad that he got it on our Christmas party for our leaders. And this is toilet golf.
Yes.
And
Can we see that? Like, can we show
Yes.
what it looks like?
It is not put up in our home.
Yet.
No.
Because
Look,
you always
he's sitting on the potty.
you always need to have fun stuff while you use the bathroom.
Yeah,
Sorry, I
absolutely.
just
You
hit you in
just
the
did.
head with
So I
that.
love
Wait, let's take a pause break real quick. Macy, what's your favorite thing to do on the toilet? Like, read,
Well,
read,
go to the
read,
bathroom.
read a book. Are you a phone person, a book person, or a magazine person, or a sit in silence person?
I like to sit in silence.
Wow.
Courtney, phone, magazine, book, silence.
Either phone or silence.
Phone, magazine, book, or silence.
YouTube.
Huh?
Always
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, I'm a phone guy for sure.
Always
For sure.
YouTube.
for sure.
That is
Okay,
TMI.
now back to Austin. Back to digging through. That was not planned. That was unscripted.
All right.
None of this.
None of
is
this is
scripted.
scripted.
Power cable
To something.
to what looks to be
Isn't
I-
that too?
amp or a speaker.
I think that's from camp.
probably
somewhere?
from camp. Okay.
Sorry.
Please don't hit this person.
Megan would use an online resource to help with her walk with the Lord.
Great job, Megan.
Yes.
Yay,
Hey,
yay, yay.
shout out to the podcast and the YouTube channel.
That's right.
Shameless
And we
plug.
also have Instagram.
We
And
do.
Good one.
That's online.
My last favorite here, just
Oh
sitting
gosh,
in
I
the
was
back
maybe in the
seat,
head of that.
is this disgustingly dirty
Dude,
58-degree sandwich.
And you know what he does with that? Whenever we take Izzy outside, if
swing
I
it.
have Izzy, he gets out of his car and swings it. Because
do.
apparently, standing with your dog is
That's
too
hilarious.
boring.
you always need to work on your golf game. Always. Hey,
You're
we're
not
gonna
wrong.
take a snack break. Are we done the second seat?
Yeah,
Sure.
snack break!
Snack break, and then we'll be back for the back seat.
Yup.
Welcome back!
What's up? So we're back. Is your seatbelt broken, Austin?
It is.
We got snacks.
We did get snacks. Courtney, what'd you get?
I got my favorite snack. Bribery at camp, you know? Lay's potato chips
Nice.
and Sprite.
Nice.
Mhm.
Macy, what'd you get?
Popcorn.
Austin, what'd you get?
I got a Twix bar for me and a Twix bar for my wife.
Oh, attaboy.
Sorry.
Attaboy. I got a Mountain Dew, and I got a sweet tart, but sour sweet tarts, which are the bomb.
You didn't get Dr. Pepper?
When I go to QT, I get Mountain Dew.
Oh.
I'm weird like that. I know.
He
There's,
is weird.
there's certain restaurants
That's weird.
that you can get better drinks at. Just being honest with you. Okay, so now we're on to the back seat.
Dun,
Oh, man.
dun.
Yeah.
Robbie,
Sure.
Robbie,
Towel that we
Robbie,
didn't
you
talk
should
about.
insert into some epic music there.
I
Like,
think I
dun,
should
dun,
put
dun.
my hand back here and just grab something.
That's what I
Exactly.
think the plan
You wanna
is.
go first?
Sure.
Do it. Go.
I have no idea what's
Okay.
in the back seat of my car.
It's a scary place.
Just don't
back
take my
there.
favorite one. I'm right back there. Yep,
Okay.
that's it. We have
this
a
the
big
favorite?
red bucket
A big red bucket.
for no reason.
No, listen. You know, in case someone needs to throw up,
Oh,
Yes,
Same
that's
bucket.
exactly what I was gonna say. That's
So here we
exactly
are.
what I was gonna say.
Or
we
have
have to throw up our snacks.
Or
Listen, can you
we
not
have to potty.
can you not imagine a? That's gross. That's disgusting.
And vomiting is not.
Yeah, but like potty's like someone deliberately taking a bucket and like crapping in it. That's just gross.
You never knew my training.
Can you not just imagine being at camp and like some kid goes into like some kind of spaz attack or something and like they have to be rushed to the hospital and they need something to throw up in? Like, do you have a bucket for that?
I hope I'm not in that car.
That's it. Okay.
You ready?
what
I've got
else?
a really fun one here.
Okay.
This is high tech. Never mind, it's not what I thought it was. Man,
What is
I was
it?
making up a story and it's not the same thing.
Make it up. Go.
Well, I thought it was a phone book, which would have
What is
been
it?
hilarious, but it's just a Bible. But it felt like a phone
Wait,
book in my
wait.
head.
It's just a Bible. It's just a
That's
Bible.
not what I
What
meant.
kind of Bible?
Unbelievable.
It is an
Big.
incredibly large Founder's Bible.
Yes.
The origin of the dream of freedom.
There you go.
Oh,
God bless America.
There we go.
Oh man, gotta have some of this.
You do. Here's why.
No,
When you take a dump in the bucket, you gotta have,
you gotta have the Febreze.
Fresh harvest pumpkin.
oh yeah.
Here's one time, not to throw Courtney under the bus here, but there was a salad that was left in my car one time. You remember this? And it smelled so bad inside to go buy
It might have been
Febreze
we did not know said salad was in the car
because of how messy it was.
because of how messy his car is.
But something started smelling peculiar,
It
and I was
smelled
something's
like
going on here.
death.
Something's going
So
on.
I'm just gonna look over and instead of grabbing them all, I'm just going to count them.
Safe too.
We have 3 more pair of shoes.
Like
So
3
that makes-
pairs, like
yes,
6
that makes
individual
a
shoes.
total of 4 pair of shoes in his car.
Nice.
All of them are tennis shoes.
Now listen, no,
And
listen.
you should also
There's,
see the ones that are laying around our house.
listen, there's a pair of golf shoes.
There's 2 pair of golf shoes.
2 pairs of golf shoes, right? One for good days, one for bad days.
Yep.
There's a pair of basketball shoes, because ball is life.
I
And then
like
there's a
it.
pair of running shoes. Hey, Octrine. And then there's a pair of running shoes in case you just need to outrun someone.
Because you're
Carry
gonna
up in your
stop
back.
to change your shoes to outrun the person.
Hey, hey, Justin.
Yes.
How often do you go run?
All the time, bro.
Yeah,
all the time.
Let me tell you a story about these running shoes,
I wear those all the time.
but not for the reason you got them. I wanted to start running because I'm a motivated person. And Justin was like, I'll run with you. I just need new sneakers.
Yeah,
so
that-
we went
that
to the
hasn't
store and bought new sneakers, and he has ran with me 0 times.
I'm man enough to say that did not work out the way I thought it would. It's okay.
Running is of the devil.
It is.
I'll say it. Hot topic. We have a black book. Oh.
Hey, that is what I do weddings from. Mark and Becca's wedding might be in there.
So Actually, here's what I find really funny, and I commented to Courtney on this, and I never told Justin, so we're gonna have a
I
moment
didn't
of
tell him
truth
either.
on this. So he recently did Mark and Becca's wedding. So if you don't know Mark and Becca, they're awesome people. You should love them.
You should.
And as he's standing up there at this beautiful
That was
ceremony,
freaky.
he pulls out this massive book,
They're pretty big.
which is just a planner that he tapes in the marriage ceremony.
But the outside looks legit. The outside
But
looks
it's
official.
so big.
It is big. It is big. I'm not
I
arguing that
appreciate
point.
Anyway,
Wait, so
It's
what's
got
the
a lot
moment
of
of
things
truth?
to say.
What's the moment of
He's
truth?
making fun of
Just how
you.
big it is?
How big it is.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
This is
I just thought it looked so funny because it was huge in your hands.
Oh my gosh, my arm is backwards.
Another crate.
Another
More
bucket.
buckets.
This one has.
Ew.
This one's for the vomit.
Another book.
Look, I like to read a lot.
This is my cup. Are you kidding me?
No.
You probably have mold in
It's
here.
probably not. Is there water in there?
That's
It's
what my
from
wife
my-
says to me all the time.
Look, this is
Sorry.
one of my favorite cups. It's from my home.
OH.
I know, and it probably has mold growing up in here. You're gonna wash this one.
You can reuse that? I want to make you throw that away.
It's gonna go in the dishwasher like 5 times.
Just
before
for
I
the
eat it.
record, I'm not embarrassed at all right now. I'm not. I'm
We
okay.
have got a lovely tool.
Yeah, I don't know how to use that.
That's from my. Oh my gosh. Dale Price.
Oh man.
Don't watch
Oh
the show.
man.
Oh,
For
yes.
when you gotta kill the insects.
Yes.
All the insects.
We have a golf tee
There
from
you go.
Christian Adoption Services.
Represent.
Oh,
Represent.
We've got flat white
This doesn't
sport
smell good.
shoelaces.
Dude, I need. Yes, I actually need those. My shoelaces and my hyperdunks broke.
There's so much dirt in here, but this is another book by David Chadwick.
Oh, yeah.
From superficial to
Significant.
significant.
Oh, what a
Wow,
title.
that's incredible.
What a title.
All right.
Maybe I should read that.
Oh, that's great.
We're almost out of church. We got her.
Justin,
Justin
I gave
Kinley.
you these.
Oh no!
These are gospel tracts for the people.
And they're in the trunk of my car.
What
You are
people
not
want those?
using these.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
My goodness, I even wrote on here high school ministry.
When did
extra
you give
tracts.
them to me?
Forever ago.
I honestly,
What people
I
are those
honestly
for?
don't
Man.
remember that. I really don't.
That is
For like
just
random
sad.
people or
Huh?
like random people?
Yes. How can I get into heaven?
Hey, if the Bible
We
says the
should
gates
give
of
those
hell
to, like-
can't prevail against the church, then neither can my
Oh
car.
wait,
Am I
you
right?
need the dish that those go with.
We have 2 spatulas and a whisk.
There we go.
Why? Why? Why?
Some purpose.
Here, this is what they go with.
And they go in a picture.
That's what my dad needed. That's what my dad needed.
I've had it.
Pause. Mr. Forrest, if you're watching this video, I would like to say that I told Justin at least twice, hey, can you give your dad back those stuff that he makes the pancakes with? Because
Dad,
he might need
I
it.
thought I did. I'm
I
sorry.
told him.
Thought I did.
Okay.
This is why we
That
do
is
it
all.
through the car.
I do have, well, I will say is the final thing.
Okay.
Is a perfect note to end on.
Oh god.
Is a Panthers flag.
Yes.
So,
Keep
even
pounding.
though we
Keep
are
pounding.
garbage, we're going to keep pounding. Let's go.
Keep pounding. I love it. I love
Just for
it.
the record, there's some more stuff back there.
There's a
There
ton
is
of
a lot
stuff.
more
We're just not going to
stuff.
go through it.
So that is episode 1 of Going Through Justin's Car. So here's our challenge to you. If you know a student. That was perfect.
I got it! Robbie, keep that in.
Hey, keep it alive. Keep it rolling.
Wait, it's gonna be upside down. Okay.
If you know someone who has a crappy car that has just a bunch of junk in it, nominate them in the comments below. Also, let us know what your favorite thing was, just because we want to know. What was your favorite thing?
None of it.
None of it?
I'm really glad I found my
The
cup.
snack? What's your favorite thing?
I mean, I really like the insect killer.
Yeah.
It's probably never been used ever.
I like the red bucket. But nominate someone that we can ride with them in their car and see what's kind of in their car. But you can't plant anything. None of this was planted. Legit,
Believe
none of it.
me,
I
This
promise.
has been
None
in
of
this car
it.
for
I know
years.
it. I love it.
None
No
of it.
plans, no scripts, no,
Yeah. No.
what's the teleprompter thing? Nope.
So we love you. We hope this video encourages you and points you to Jesus and makes you
And
clean out your
also-
car.
Yep, to keep a clean
Clean your
car.
car.